Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another fun and exciting episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. You never know what's going to come out of a box, or what kind of box we're going to have to unbox. Because if you like unboxing videos, this is nothing like you've ever seen or are used to. But first, we need to drink some fucking beer. Let's get wrecked. Woo! Bitches. Today we have a white box with black lettering. Weighs 80 grams. Measures 2 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch. And it looks like this. It says Carling on it. It says Milwaukee on it. This beer says Carling on it. What could be in such a small box with Milwaukee and Carling on it? Let's open it up and see. Because it is an unboxing video after all. Ooh. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Psycho Killer. Qu'est-ce que c'est? It's got a bag. Empty. There's a bag, a plastic bag. And in that plastic bag, Carling. A chain with a clasp. Milwaukee. 6 foot or 2 meters. It's a baby tape measure. How about that, bitches? Ooh. Oh. There you go. Who would think of putting that in a box like that? It's mind-boggling. But there you go. Cheers, big ears. What's gonna come out of the next box? RTFO mofos. Woo! Cheers, big ears.